Hey everybody, this is Aiden back with another video, and well, hello! The new Pokemon Go set just came out, so I wandered into Walmart and bought it. And this is the Spark box. He's my favorite trainer in the game. I picked him, and it has 6 packs and this very cool pin of his symbol. I don't know what to call it. And just a little bit of detail. They even put the Pokeball that you swipe up with. So let's get those packs out. That's better. And we got this very cool pin right here. I like that a lot. We got the Spark card. Might be a PSA 10, very nice. And 6 Pokemon Go booster packs. This is one of my favorite games, by the way. It's trash. And we got this, but I'm not giving away the codes because I play Pokemon Go, and I'm sorry, okay? Don't get mad. But I want the codes. Oh. Just gonna set that back up. I don't know if this has a specific card trick or not. I'm just gonna assume it's 4 cards to the front. Code card. Yeah. Energy. Pikachu. Squirtle. Bidoof. Belton. Charmander, my favorite Pokemon, and oh, Melmetal V. Very nice card. We're gonna put him by Spark. Ah, my knees. My knees started hurt. Oh wait, I heard that there could be Ditto cards, so just gonna check, see if there's any Dittos in here. Like you can get a satisfying peel action if you find one. I just saw that online, so I thought I would see if there would be one in there, but there's not. Let's get the second pack. So it is 4 cards to the front. And if you're not subscribed, please press the subscribe button. I gotta, please, just please. There we go, code card. 4 to the front. Energy. I have no idea how to pronounce that. That's Chansey. Apom. Slowpoke. Lavatar. Apom. Two Apoms. Sparkrat. Lavatar, and that's a very cool holo Pikachu card. That is going right here. This is all the hits, like holos and that stuff. They go over there. Let's open up another pack. There's the code card, and tell me how the new set is. I have not opened up Astral Radiance. Roast me in the comments. Oh wait, this is a kid channel. There isn't comments. Spark. Sorry to your box. Eevee. Apom. Blitzy. And Articuno. No hits in that pack. Moving it down to this. Oh wait, we were on the second row last. You can tell my brain is smooth. And I'm gonna have to do the opening tactic from the back. Here we go. Hard to open packs equal good cards. You have to be kidding me. There we go. There we go. Code card. Energy, Steelix, Chansey, Spark, Eevee, Numbshell, I think that's a Raticate. I'm looking for the beady eyes because there can be Dittos. Lavatar, Sylveon, and another Sylveon. That's funny. 2 Sylveons. I'm just gonna clear this workstation real quick. Just put it all to the side. Here's the code card. Had it wrong way. And you might hear little doinks. Oh, that's funny. A V-Star? No idea how to pronounce that. Charmeleon. Airdos. Numbshell. Raticate. Tranquil. Bulbasaur. Natu. Apod. Oh my god! This is the chase card. The alternate art Mewtwo. My heart's beating so fast right now. I'm just gonna put that right there. Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna do the rest of this standing up. Okay, let's get this last pack open. Last pack magic. I just cannot believe that. I'm trying to not freak out, but I'm freaking out in my mind. Code card. No peeking. This is for Energy. Slowbro. Pokestop. Exatu. Apom. Bulbasaur. Pidove. Magikarp. Onyx. Water Turtle. And Lapras. I've had lots of fun opening cards with you, so bye.